So hello and thank you for watching. Today we're going to review the green screen. It was my birthday recently. I asked for the green screen. I chose it myself off Amazon. So let's take a close look at it. But first things first, it does say very clearly that to get the best results you need to give it an iron and get the packaging creases out. So I'm going to go and do that now. When I come back I'll show you the structure of the thing, how it came, etc. It's very good, honestly. Then we're going to put it back up and then I'm going to show it you in use, and finally I'll give you my opinion of it. You can probably guess already that I'm quite pleased. There is a link to it in the video description if you want to take a closer look yourself. Right, let's get this ironed. Go, go, go! So I'll be completely honest with you, I started ironing it and my wife took pity on me and she's done it. Thank you very much, Mrs. Millionaire. I put a nice clip on the end and then hung it in the wardrobe so the creases don't come back. And I'll show you how it came and then we'll set it up. So it came in a lovely bag, like that. Then in a couple of different parts you had this, which is the base, the middle, three separate sections. You've got all the clips to hold the green screen to it. That gets set up like that. Then there's a couple of cross poles which just fit together like that. Push in and twist. And now then, I discovered I prefer to have my green screen horizontal because I want it just behind me, and the edges were showing if I didn't do that. So I've had to improvise a little bit and I've just made a couple of extra bits to go on the end. So do watch out for that. Make sure you buy the right size of green screen for what you want. The problem was really easily solvable anyway. Right, I'll put it up and then show you what it looks like. So there's my nice new green screen. I put a couple of pegs on the bottom just to keep it a bit tauter. It says you have to get the lighting just right. Obviously that's not right, so I'm going to go and fix that now. Bear with me. Okay, that's probably good enough. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, I have now no idea what's behind me. All I can see is the green screen. Anything else has been added post-editing. How does it look? Obviously there's some creases there still. I probably need to find a way of getting it tauter. Are those creases showing or is the thing just showing behind it? Let me know. Anyway, my review of this is it's brilliant. I'm loving it. I'm having great fun with it, and there's a link to it in the description. Go along and take a look. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.